Oi gente, essa Danny. So today I'm gonna show you guys my room as I mentioned in my last video. But please know that it will be really short because it's pretty small. It's really tiny small room. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys a typical Korean one rooms. I mean, the place I live in is built in 2023, which is really new, so it's pretty clean, but the size is pretty small. It's like similar to most of the other one rooms in Korea. If you start living in Korea, I'm pretty sure you will be living in one rooms because the rents in Korea is really expensive. So let's start. So here is the entrance. It's the door where I put my wallet. I put my wallet here so I don't forget it when I go outside. And my goals for 1 year and like the things I want to do on my way to work. But to be honest, I don't keep that often. And this thing is to help with wearing shoes. Like when I wear shoes, I do this so it's easier to wear the shoes. I'm not sure if you guys have this in your country as well. And on the right side of the door, your meter which that I use before I go to work. And if I open this thing, these are the things that I should give back to the owner of this house, like the instructions of items that was already here before I started living here. And also these are instructions of the things that I bought and the monitor on. And these are the things for the switch and the mic. And also, I took a test recently and this is the book I used to study and I gotta throw this away. And plastic bags and random things like cut tape, scissor, and random stuffs. And this is interesting part. I put the books here because I didn't have any other space where I can just put the books. But I'm not sure if this is a safe place to keep the books because it can be kind of humid, so I will see. Anyway, the books are here and extra pair of shoes. Oh yeah, and interesting thing about this door. As you can see, I kind of wrapped it up with the scotch tape because there was like the spaces that the wallet can fall. So I kind of redesigned the thing. Isn't it kind of cool? Yeah, I kind of wanted to show off. And here is my working place where I do most of the things except eating the food. So I have my laptop here and monitor that I use for the switch, laptop, and also I watch TV sometimes. And that way I use this. And here is fan that I use, and this is mic. I love this mic. Say hello to Rode. Yeah, I've been using this for a while, and it's pretty good. If you guys think about buying a mic, Rode, I believe it's like NT something. Anyway, it's really good. Oh, they started using the water. It's gonna take a while to stop doing that. So, oh yeah, stop doing that. I will keep introducing my room. So here is my bed where I go to sleep. There is window, which is much bigger than other usual like one rooms. And right next to the bed, I have a table that I use. I usually use this to have meals, like dinner mostly. Funny story about this table is that when I chose to buy this table, I was thinking about keeping this under the bed after I use it. But I realized I'm too lazy to just keep closing it and putting it back under the bed. So I just chose to just keep it outside and just use it as an extra space to put my stuffs. Yeah, I think it was good choice because there aren't that many places where I can put my stuffs. So yeah, so I have my other portable fan here, tissues, pencil case and stuffs. And also I introduced you guys the right side of the room. Now I'm gonna introduce the left side, which is kitchen. So if you look up here, there's polka, extra tissue, extra wet tissue, and toaster and the things. And now I have the fridge. What I have in freezer is pretty simple. Toasters, chicken breast, the frozen mango. Sliced frozen mango. And now the fridge. I have the eggs, the side dishes. I like to eat this side dishes with the rice. It's like pretty healthy way to do it. Under here, soybean, the strawberry jam, and these are the apple juices that my mom, because she was worried about my house. But right next to it, I have beer here. And here is the kitchen side. So these are the things I use: spoons, chopsticks, bowls, and stoves. And here I have the rice cooker, which I use really well. How I usually eat is like before I go to the work, I make a reservation for the rice cooker so I can have the meal right after I came back from the work. So this thing is really helpful. Thank you, Kuchen. And also here's where I cook the oil and wet tissue. And here I don't have any stuff. Oh yeah, up here I have medicines, cups, chopsticks, spam, tuna, and like the labor, dry labor, how do I call this? Kim. And like the towels to clean up the things, and ramen without any sauce. And here I have the trash bin, the laundry machine, and right below it are like some random stuff that I don't use that often. So I'm just keeping it here. Great, it's almost done. It's like the last part, which is like the coolest part of this room. It's like this kind of closet. Should I call this closet? Anyway, where I put all my clothes. So if you look here, I keep my t-shirts and things. And here I put jeans and the pants. And here is the place for my cameras and like YouTube stuff. And also here is cachaça, which is the one that I bought from Japan, and it's really good. I'm so excited to try this, but I gotta make the cocktail maker thing to drink the caipirinha. I'm gonna make caipirinha with this, so please look forward to it. I am actually looking forward to it. It's really good. Caipirinha is amazing. And here, where I put my underwears and extra stuff like the watch and stuff, and the belts and the extra clothes that I don't wear this weather because it's really hot in Korea right now. It's about like 36 degrees, I believe. Yeah, 36 Celsius. So it's like literally dying. Yeah, and up here I have like extra masks, hand, tripod, like the book that my friend Alex gave me, and air conditioner, dehumidifier, and mirror that I use when I dry my hair. Here is dryer, and here is the iron, which I don't use that often. And here are, how I call this, hairband? Yeah, to tie up my hair. I actually need it because my hair is too long, as you can see. And this is moriti. How do I call this? Anyway, I use this too. And these two places where I put my laundries, the color ones, white ones. Air conditioner, yeah. That's about it. Yeah, that's like my room. The best thing about this room is the lights. Like, as you can see, there are like a lot of lights with different like colors. Most of the lights in the main side are white and like really bright, so it's really helpful. But they have like this like yellowish light as well, which I use when I read a book before I go to bed. So this thing is like the most coolest thing in this room. Yeah. And also that is restroom. I'm not sure I should show you guys this place. But basically it's like this. So coolest thing about this room is like there is a light right below the mirror, so it's pretty useful. And there's nothing so special about it. I keep towels here, and oh, I want to introduce you guys this. If you guys have this in your country, try to use it. The smell is really good. And if you reopen, yeah, I have to open it all at once. This is how I keep my towels. I don't think this will be that interesting, so let's keep that way. And they have like this small thing. I don't know why. Why would we need that? Seriously. So I think that's for interior purpose, but not sure if that makes it cooler. This is about it. Will there be any other thing that I should show you guys? Not actually. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video today. Hope this can be helpful for your, I don't think it will be helpful for you. Unless if you're thinking about moving to Korea, this can be helpful. Oh yeah, in case if you're thinking about moving to Korea, the rent fee of this place is about like 600 bucks every month. Yeah, the house rent in Korea is pretty expensive. I mean, if you go to a building where that is really old or something, but I will not be able to survive in those kind of places. So I have to make much more money. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys on the next video. I hope the next video can be the video making the caipirinha. Not sure yet, but looking forward to it. Alright, ciao ciao guys.